Alam mo, hindi ko alam. Pero pag talaga siguro yung gusto mo, ito yung passion mo, passion project talaga, girl. Ang dami kong ideas, but hindi ko nagagawa. Hindi, kasi parang natatakot ako mali yung decision ko. But with the help na of my husband, andyan sila para tulungan talaga ako at in-encourage talaga nila ako na yung mga ideas ko, gawin na namin. At eto na nga siya.
That's so lovely. Kasi di ba when you're with the right environment, you will be able to achieve anything in the world.
Yes.
And now, we'll open the floor for a few questions from our media friends. We will start with Miss Nikki Viola from Red in Manila.
Good morning and congratulations. Thank you. I am Nikki from WedItManila.com. So my question is, what inspired you to create your body care line? And can you tell us about your journey and how these products reflect your self-care routine?
Okay, bilang isang babae, sobrang hilig ko talaga sa body care. Like, isa yan sa feeling ko investment ko. Yung kailangan kong pag-investan. So, lalo-lalo lang ang body scrub. So, bilang isang babae, and now, mami na, gusto ko mas maging confident ako lalo in my own skin. So, nag-create kami ng product na hindi lang about beauty, but also about self-love and daily care. Kasi etong product namin is was made to feel you good and to bring out your inner glow and para i-embrace mo yung pagiging majestic. So, akala ko may sasabihin ka Thank you.
Yeah, thank you very much. Second question will be from Mario Cristales from Halaw.
Ihataw mo yan, ihataw.
How you cement your relationship with mga industry, making Majesty Day reality?
Ako na yung kanina, ikaw na.
Naninibago. Ang serious natin today, next direct.
Alright. Actually po, nung kinuha ko si Maha, 2021, sinabi niya sa akin na gusto niya ng body care. Kaya, pang-face siya. So, ang tagal na hinihintay, it took us, 4 to 5 years bago pa siya ikasal. Pero sabi ko nga, para kay Maha pa talaga itong araw na ito. So, kami ay hindi lang magpina. Siya ay aking adik. Kaya yung trust ko sa kanya, hindi ako dalawang isip. At ngayon, ay isa na siyang nanay, isa na rin siyang mompreneur. So kanina ay nag-e-emote kami kasi this is a whole new world for my baby. Yun. Walang anything. Lahat ito ginawa ng Forthinker and Advisor Rambo. Sila po lahat gumawa nito. Guess lang ako today. Yes, I'm so proud of my baby girl.
But ibang level ng partnership talaga. Maliban sa minat namin siya, beyond pa doon yung relationship namin talaga ni Mana. And kaya we are really thankful and grateful for this relationship, for this partnership. And itong bagong journey natin is mas meaningful, mas beautiful because we're doing it with you. Kaya thank you.
Wow, that's so lovely. For the third question, we have Sean Castello from Mega.
Hi, Sean. Gaganda ang pangalan.
Okay, ma'am. Congratulations.
Thank you.
And what can customers expect and with the results of using Majesty?
Ano may expect? Siyempre, because kailangan may parang responsibility mo talaga is to take care of yourself, to take care of your skin. So, by using our product, so we have body wash, body lotion, and body scrub. So, with these products, for the body wash and body lotion, you should use it daily, di ba? And for the body scrub, bawal ang daily po dyan, it should be like once a week, di ba? Kasi ayaw mo natin na pag too much natin ginamit ay mas mag-dry. But after using all these products, dyan mo makikita yung result. Dyan mo malalaman na ang galing ko, inaalagaan ko ang sarili ko. And mas magiging confident ka because alam mo na ikaw mismo, you love yourself. So, thank you.
Yes, I also totally agree. Kasi minsan people ask, parang wala nangyari? Pero they don't think na, mas ginamit ng tama. Diba? So you have to use it righteously.
Because we have days na we're so tamad na mag-lotion. Ako yan. Isa ako dyan. But kaya siguro kaya ko rin pinush to have my own body care line. Kasi nga, para ako rin yung minatamarin. Yung gano'n. Lalo na ngayon na naging mommy ako. Sinasabi nila, iba yung glow mo, mas nag-glow ka ng mommy ka. Andun yung mas kailangan mong mahalin talaga yung sarili mo after because ang daming changes when you become a mom. So with the help of Manang Rhea and to my Ivy family, nakita niyo naman po yung resulta. Hindi po ako magpo-post ng ganyan. Kasi from January, I messaged Dr. Ivy. Sabi ko, Doc Ivy, gusto ko nang maging ako ulit. Gusto ko nang maging confident. And sinabi ko to na I have a product na gusto kong i-launch soon. So with their help, at syempre, ang paggamit namin ng aming products ng Majeskin, mas naging confident ako. Kaya po tayo, may ganyang photo. Kaya ako pumayag na ganyan yung mga photos na ipapakita namin today. So, eto po, si Ma Salvador, a new mom, but very confident sa sarili niya.
Grabe! Grabe nga si Doc Ivy lang sinasabi, ang araw ka anak kay Doc. Kaya, grabe siya. Kasi nga, move kami ng sure lang. Wait lang, Mana, puto mo ng kay Doc Ivy. Pero bilib na bilib talaga kay Mama, kasi alam mo yung mga Ilocano, hindi kami, talaga, mestiza, morena. Pero grabe siya, yung dating suot mo to, walang chismis. Kaya bagay na bagay. Yes, sana all, talagang sobrang naligalig. Kagabi nga, Diyos ko, parang ayaw na umalis sa shower kasi napakabango. Napakaganda ng produkto ni Miss Manny Salvador.
Thank you very much. And second to last question, we have John Eliana from Raw Aficionado.
Hey John! Good morning pa rin, no? Salamat po mag-releasing kayo ng mga this.
Hello, Miss Manny.
Hey John.
Congratulations. I am Gerald po from Lexington. So, my question is, there are body care products in the market nowadays. So, what do you think sets Majesty apart from them?
Gusto ko rin sagutin. You know, bakit kami nag-decide to have a partnership with Mana? Beauty Derm is what, 16 years na. So, alam na ng mga consumers na pag sinabing Beauty Derm ay talagang legit, iba yung quality, right? So, itong partnership ko with Mana, alam niya kung anong kailangan ng consumers. Alam niya kung anong kailangan natin lahat. And then, akala ko parang with the other brands na hawak ni Mana, parang same lang with Majeskin yung gagawin namin. So ako, I just told her, Mana, I love ko ang chamomile scent, I want milk scent, yan. So, kasi diba, kung alam niyo yung mga mommies, ako mommy ko, ano ko dyan, yung mommy ko, nagbababad yan ng gatas. sa banyo namin, nung bata kami, bata ako. Yan, so isa yan. So yun yung kwento kung bakit milk scent. Chamomile is, di ba chamomile is relax ka, very ano, di ba? So isa yun sa mga request ko. And then, the other ingredients, expertise na yun ni Mana. So siya yung, okay, ano bang maganda, Mana?
Nagka-practice ka ba nila?
Hindi!
Ayan.
Kaya ako talaga ako.
Kung anong ilalagay natin sa ating face, kailangan ilagay din natin sa ating body. You know, match na ito ka na, baby. Age your deal?
Turning 37.
Turning 37 and turning 45. So, kailangan dapat na kung anong ilalagay natin sa ating face. Ganun din sa mukha. So, meron siyang whitening, moisturizing, at the same time, nag-exfoliate. Kasi minsan napapabayaan natin yung ating katawan. Aminin natin, nagmamadali tayo maligo. Di ba? Lalo pag may ganitong event at maaga kayo magising. Minsan hindi na tayo nakakapag-scrub. So, eto na ngayon sagot. All in one, we have the scrub, we have the lotion, and the body wash. Kompleto po siya ng ingredients na mapa-whiten, mapa-smoothen. At the same time, it's all plant-based. So, it's all safe and very effective, of course. Yeah. Let's be very careful in buying products in the market kasi yung iba mura na pero nasa-sacrifice naman ang ating skin. So mas maganda na dapat daw nakikita daw sa owners, di ba?
Yes.
Yeah, because we walk the talk.
Agree.
Agree. Thank you so
Thank you,
much.
Sharon.
There, it's plant-based.
Mas lalo ako na-excite finding out na plant-based pala lahat ng products na ko. Alright, for the last question, it's from Nikki Wang from Manila Standard.
Hey, well, first of all, congratulations sa inyong bagong partnership. Now that you have successfully launched the brand, what are your plans and, of course, your dreams for Man's Skin as a brand?
Yun ang dapat niyong abangan. Pero madami. This is just the beginning. And dalawang variant pa lang yan. Pero knowing Man and Rhea and my husband, yung mga utak nila talagang ang dami yung ideas. So, I'm excited also to share kung ano yung mga gusto ko pang gawin. So, kung ano pa yun, yun ang kailangan ng abangan.
May next press con.
May next, of course, may next press call. Lagi may launching ng ano.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Ayan, yun nga po yung sinasabi ko kay Madge. Kasi ako yung negosyante. Alam niyo naman, for 16 years, mag-isa ko lang sa beauty derm. Very aggressive. Oo, ganyan. Gusto ko lang ganito agad-agad. Parang ngayon na ako talaga nagkaroon ng kasama. Kaya sabi ko kasi, baby, ikaw na yung mag-isip muna. Tapos natuto akong magtipid. Yun ang unang natutunan. Sobrang Ilocano talaga sila ni Rambo. Si Rambo si Liman. Bisaya siya, pero ay, ang tipid ng babies ko. Okay, so wala tayong graphic later.
Love. Today is all about love.
Yes. Yeah. Thank you so much for being here.
Thank you. Okay, can you share na yung body scrub is coffee extract? So kasi di ba pag coffee, mas like exfoliating, diba? So, yun. So, yung mga susunod namin gagawin pa. Nakakailan ka pa ka. So, yun yung mga exciting. Meron na yung mga samples para ng mga next natin. But for now, isa-isa.
Update daw kinabit.
Yes! And I think meron po din tayong